7 Habits to Become a Millionaire. Welcome to our video on the 7 habits that can transform your life and help you become a millionaire. Imagine living a life of abundance and fulfillment. Stay with us for the next few minutes to unlock the secrets to financial success. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Start a project and stay consistent. Identify your passion. Choose something you truly love that can lead to financial growth. Commit to consistency. Success requires dedication. Set small, achievable goals to maintain momentum. Create a routine. Establish a disciplined routine for 2 to 3 months. Consistency is the foundation of wealth and happiness. Habit 2. Read every day. Prioritize learning. Replace TV time with reading, as knowledge is the key to unlocking your millionaire potential. Focus on growth. Choose books and articles that inspire and educate you about wealth building. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends to seize new opportunities for creating wealth and love what you do. Habit 3. Find a mentor. Seek guidance. A mentor provides invaluable advice and insights on the path to wealth. Follow their work. Engage with their content, such as videos and webinars, to learn tried and true methods. Stay inspired. Listen to motivational talks that fuel your passion for achieving millionaire status. Habit 4. Build self-discipline. Time management. Plan your day with a clear timetable, maximizing productivity for financial success. Goal setting. Break down tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly objectives that propel you toward your dreams. Stay focused. Avoid distractions to stay on course for reaching your millionaire goals. Habit 5. Wake up early. Boost productivity. Start your day between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m., a habit shared by many successful individuals. Enjoy quiet time. Use peaceful morning hours for strategic planning and creativity, boosting your chances of success. Health benefits. Improve your mental and physical well-being, which is crucial for sustaining success and loving life. Habit 6. Spend quality time with family. Balance work and life. Dedicate time to family, ensuring a supportive and loving environment. Strengthen bonds. Nurture relationships that provide motivation and joy. Recharge. Use this time to relax and rejuvenate, preparing you to tackle financial goals with renewed energy. Habit 7. Track your progress. Regular reviews. Assess your progress weekly or monthly to stay aligned with your millionaire aspirations. Identify weaknesses. Learn from mistakes and adjust strategies to optimize your wealth journey. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate achievements to maintain motivation and love for the journey. By adopting these 7 habits, you're setting yourself on a path filled with love, abundance, and success. Embrace these changes and watch your dreams come to life. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.